right, a couple quick tips to make your knees more effective. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is they kind of just knees straight up. They grab on and then they pull their leg like this. We want to get the hips going forward, and that can be a little bit difficult for beginners to understand. So one thing that you can think about is that your knee has a spike sticking out of it. So I don't want to bring the spike up to me. I want to put the spike into the opponent, right? I want to spear them with that knee. So that visualization can help you quite a bit. Another thing you want to do is make sure your heel is pulled up to your butt as much as possible. So you're going to have your foot like this, your heel pulled up. This is going to be helpful in getting you that kind of sensation that you're driving forward and you're bringing this up as much as you can and spearing it in. You can also visualize, guys, you're picking up bagels. Does that help? Never mind the bagel part. Let's just think about the spear. All right, second tip, really important for power generation, okay? We are driving the hip, but this foot, the foot that's down there on the ground that's planted, don't step flat-footed when you throw the knee. Instead, what you're gonna do is you're going to step and lift up your heel. When you lift up that heel and you start to bring that knee forward, you're gonna push off of that foot. So you push and drive. It's like a wedge from the ground to your target. You push, drive. That's going to help you to be more powerful through the hips, and you're generating power from the ground up. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please post them below.